Hey everyone, welcome aboard. Today we'll be taking a first look at the Vinfast VF-9, the newest addition to the Vinfast family. If you're in the market for a larger battery electric SUV, there aren't many choices apart from the Tesla Model X, the Rivian R1S, the BMW iX, and the Mercedes-Benz EQS. Starting later this year, Vinfast adds another choice in this important segment. The Vinfast VF-9 is a luxury SUV that has an all-electric range of 369 miles and can go from 0 to 60 in just 6.5 seconds with 402 horsepower and all-wheel drive. It can be charged from 10 to 70% in just 35 minutes thanks to its fast charging capabilities. It measures 201.4 inches long and has a wheelbase of 124 inches, providing ample room for its 3 rows of seats. The car's distinctive headlights give it a sleek and modern look, while its vegan leather surfaces and ambient lighting add to the luxurious feel of the interior. The car is powered by a 123 kilowatt-hour battery pack, providing 369 miles of all-electric range. The Vinfast VF-9 also comes with Highway Assist, which is a level 2 system, Adaptive Cruise Assist, and other safety features to ensure a safe driving experience. The version we're looking at is the VF-9 Plus, which packs a surprising amount of features. It has power seats in the front and rear, 2 or 3 zone air conditioning, a rear infotainment screen, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and 13 speakers. The panoramic glass roof and massage chairs in the front and back add to the luxurious experience. Up front, the VF-9 has a large touchscreen display with a navigation system, trip planner, and virtual assistant to help you get to your destination with ease. The car also has smartphone mirroring with Android Auto, a web browser, and text-to-speech messaging. The Vinfast VF-9 starts at $83,000, and the version shown is about $93,000. As a Tesla Model X owner, I was far more impressed with the feature set and fit and finish of the VF-9 than I expected. However, I do think Vinfast will have problems convincing luxury SUV buyers to pick this over a similarly priced Tesla, Rivian, or European nameplate. And the big unknown isn't the feature set, but it is the long-term quality of the vehicle, and most importantly, how well the UI and software works. The Tesla and Rivian interfaces have been improved and work well after years of testing and real-world experience, while Vinfast's UI, although functional at first glance, does not seem as polished or as responsive as the competition. However, if Vinfast commits to improving the UI experience, this can change over time. Another consideration is the level of support you would expect to receive for service or repairs. We live in Orange County, California, and a service center for Vinfast is located here. However, it is unclear how quickly this network will be built out for other areas of the country. So what do you think? Would you consider buying the Vinfast VF-9 or over the established competition? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.